Good morning, students. Today we will learn about blood pressure. Blood pressure. What is blood pressure? Or define the term blood pressure. Definition of blood pressure: the pressure exerted by blood on the wall of the blood vessels is called blood pressure. The pressure exerted by blood on the walls of blood vessels is called blood pressure. It is usually measured from the arteries. It is usually measured from the arteries. It is measured by the instrument. Blood pressure is measured by the instrument sphygmomanometer. Sphygmomanometer. Blood pressure is measured in millimeters of mercury. Blood pressure is measured in millimeters of mercury. That is the mm of Hg. That is mm of Hg. Then next point is the arterial blood pressure. Next point is the arterial blood pressure. Pressure exerted by blood. Pressure exerted by blood on the wall of artery. On the wall of artery is called arterial blood pressure. What is arterial blood pressure? Pressure exerted by blood on the wall of artery is called as the arterial blood pressure. Blood pressure is of two types. Blood pressure is of two types. First is the systolic blood pressure. First type of blood pressure is systolic blood pressure. Systolic blood pressure means during ventricular contraction. The pressure during ventricular contraction. And second type is the diastolic blood pressure. Second type is the diastolic blood pressure. That is the during ventricular relaxation. Then first type is the systolic blood pressure. First type is the systolic blood pressure. Systolic blood pressure is the pressure of blood. Systolic blood pressure is the pressure of blood during ventricular systole. During ventricular systole means ventricular contraction. It is maximum and responsible for. It is maximum and responsible for flow of blood. Flow of blood in the arteries. Flow of blood in the arteries. In normal healthy adult. In normal healthy adult, the average value is 120 mm of Hg. In normal healthy adult, the average value is 120 mm Hg. Then second type is the diastolic blood pressure. It is the pressure of blood. Diastolic blood pressure is the pressure of blood during ventricular diastole. During ventricular diastole, that is ventricular relaxation. It is minimum. In a normal healthy adult, it is 80 mmHg. In a normal healthy adult, it is 80 mmHg. The normal blood pressure is 120/80 mmHg. Then deviations from normal blood pressure. Deviations from normal blood pressure value indicates malfunctioning of heart. Deviations from normal blood pressure value indicates malfunctioning of heart. It may be due to high or low blood volume. It may be due to high or low blood volume. Then next, hardening of arteries. Hardening of arteries, which is called as the arteriosclerosis. Arteriosclerosis means the hardening of arteries. Then deposition of fats like cholesterol. Deposition of fats like cholesterol in the arteries. Called as the atherosclerosis. What is atherosclerosis? Atherosclerosis is the deposition of fats like cholesterol in the arteries. Then renal diseases and emotion-induced hormonal changes, obesity, etc. The next term is the hypotension. Blood pressure lower than. In the hypotension, blood pressure lower than normal, that is below 90/60 mmHg, is called hypotension. What is hypotension? Blood pressure lower than normal, that is blood 90/60 mmHg, is called hypotension. Then second is the hypertension. What is hypertension? Or define the term hypertension. The hypertension is the blood pressure higher than normal. Hypertension is the blood pressure higher than normal, that is above 140/90 mmHg. That is above 140/90 mmHg is called hypertension. It leads to hypertension leads to heart diseases. Hypertension leads to heart diseases and affects vital organs. Hypertension leads to heart diseases and affects vital organs like brain, kidney, etc. The next point is the influencing factors. Next point is the influencing factor or factors are various factors that affect the blood pressure. Various factors that affects the blood pressure. First factor is the cardiac output. The first factor is the cardiac output. Then second is the peripheral resistance. Then second is the peripheral resistance. Then third is the blood volume. Next, fourth is the blood viscosity. Next is the age. The next factor is the gender, that is the male or female. The next, sleep. Next factor is the emotions. The next factor, exercise. Then anxiety. Next factor, diameter of blood vessels, venous return, etc. The blood pressure is directly proportional. Blood pressure is directly proportional to viscosity of blood. Is directly proportional to viscosity of blood. Blood pressure can also be affected by. Blood pressure can be also affected by vasoconstriction. Vasoconstriction or vasodilation. Females have slightly lower blood pressure than males. Females have slightly lower blood pressure than males before menopause. Before menopause. The risk of high blood pressure. The risk of high blood pressure increases in the females after menopause. The risk of high blood pressure increases in the females after menopause. Then the next point is the measurement of blood pressure. The measurement of blood pressure with the help of instrument, sphygmomanometer. With the help of instrument, sphygmomanometer. This sphygmomanometer instrument consists of inflatable rubber bag cuff. Inflatable rubber bag cuff covered by a cotton cloth. Covered by a cotton cloth. Connected with the help of tubes. Connected with the help of tubes to mercury manometer on one side. This inflatable rubber bag cuffs covered by cotton cloths, connected with the help of tubes of mercury manometer on one side. During measurement, this instrument placed at the level of heart, and cuff is tightly wrapped. Cuff is tightly wrapped around upper arm. Cuff is tightly around the upper arm. The cuff is inflated. The cuff is inflated till the branchial artery is blocked. The cuff is inflated till the branchial artery is blocked due to external pressure. Due to external pressure. Then the pressure in the cuff is slowly lowered. then the pressure in the cuff is slowly lowered till the first pulsatile sound is heard. Till the first pulsatile sound is heard. At this moment, pressure indicates. At this moment, pressure indicates in manometer is systolic pressure. First pulsatile sound is heard. This movement pressure indicates in manometer is the systolic pressure. Then sound heard during measurement. Then sound heard during measurement of blood pressure are called as Korokov sound. Sound heard during measurement of blood pressure are called as Korokov sounds. Pressure in the cuff is further lowered. Pressure in the cuff is further lowered till any pulsatile sound cannot be heard due to smooth blood flow. At this moment, pressure indicated in manometer. At this moment, pressure indicated in manometer is diastolic pressure. The normal blood pressure level reads 120/80 mmHg. Optimal or normal blood pressure level reads 120/80 mmHg. This is the blood pressure and the types of blood pressure, then the hypotension, hypertension, and the factors affecting on the blood pressure and the instrument which measure the blood pressure. Thank you.